In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a VidIQ subscription. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to their official website. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. You can click on my link and then it will take you directly over here where you can get started for yourself. Now in here, you want to click on sign up for free. And then you want to just select one of your Google accounts over here because this is Google's connected. And of course, you want to select the account where you actually have the YouTube channel you would like to connect to VidIQ. So we're going to go with this one over here. And then you want to click continue. And there we go, it's going to start signing you in, and in just a few seconds, you're going to see, there we go, it's going to say VidIQ, and then you will have to either connect your channel or you can skip for now. I'm going to skip for now, just for this instance, and then over here it's going to ask what will you make videos about. You can just fill in the info or skip, and then on here it will automatically ask you which part of subscription you would like to buy. Okay, so you can buy directly over here or click on maybe later. And in case you've done this in the past, let me just show you how to do it. Over here at the left hand side, the very bottom button says upgrade. If you click on that, you'll see you have two options. You have the option for 12 months or for 1 month, and with that you can get their basically VidIQ premium plan. So of course you will save if you choose the yearly plan, but if you pay monthly you will have to pay a bit more. So currently, as you can see, if you're a new creator, you will have a 50% off discount. You just have to put in your card number and then all the details, and you can click on pay now, and you've successfully bought yourself a VidIQ subscription. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.